Exploded views are a really useful way for you to show your designs to other members of your team, customers, suppliers and maintenance engineers in a clear and understandable way. In Creo, you create your exploded views in the assembly, and you have a series of controls and settings options on how the views look. The first step is to create a suitable orientation for the exploded view. This might be one of the existing views, or you can always create your own specific orientation to be used. I generally do this, and simply name the view Explode View. There are no hard and fast rules on how your view should look, but you can always look at a few examples online to get some inspiration. In fact, you can create several exploded views with different levels of disassembly, according to who the diagram is designed for. So to create them, in the assembly, go to the View Manager and then to the Explode tab. There'll always be a default exploded view in here, but generally I prefer to create my own from scratch. Give the new view a name, press Enter and then go to Edit Position. This will open up this dialog box, and from here it's a relatively straightforward process. You can move the parts apart either as a translation, i.e. a straight line, or rotation, or in fact just a free movement. Generally I use a translation or revolve, and also in the Options tab you've got the ability to create an increment, say for example 10mm, so you can predict exactly how far the parts are moving out from each other. You can select the parts on the screen or from the model tree, and also you can move several components at the same time if needs be. Once you're happy with the overall view, go back to the View Manager and right-click and save. There are a few more options as well. Some users like to use lines to show the intended location of the exploded part. Here you can choose the style and colour of the lines, and also create jogs and make the lines shorter or longer. When you press Explode, the view will explode and unexplode in this animated way. You've got a couple of options here as well. If you go to the File Options Entity Display and then scroll down, you can see that you can explode them in sequence, and also change the amount of time spent for each sequence. Have a try and see which one you prefer. Of course, you can also show their exploded views on your drawings. To do this, edit definition of the view, and in the view status entry on the left hand side, you have the ability here to explode components in view, and then you can select which particular exploded view you require. So hopefully this will give you an idea or two about how to control these really important aspects of how you communicate your designs with others. Give them a try.